Hi, Judy from Witch Piece Craft. Well, pretty crappy day on YouTube and, gets you thinking about stuff. No, I'm joking. Forget it. I'm really happy because I got a happy mail I've been waiting for. Takes a while for freight to get from the northern hemisphere to the southern hemisphere. So when we get it, I'm so excited. It's arrived, Billy. I ordered a Damit doll from Billy from the Crafty Floridian. Sorry, I've dropped something. Ooh. And I openly admit I've had a sneak preview. I couldn't wait. Now, Billy normally makes them out of ideas and creates, but I actually asked her to make one like someone I like and follow on TV. And I really appreciate Billy doing that because that's sort of outside what she normally does. So when I opened the Happy Mail, I got this lovely card, lady sitting on a beach, and it's got Billy's name down the bottom. It's a personalised card. Gee, I wish I could do something like that. And that's me, definitely sitting on the beach while my husband runs around with the dog. I'm too lazy to do that. Anyway, here we go. My Happy Mail. Oh, I love him. I really love it. Just straighten his hair. There he is. My Damit doll. I sent Billy a photo of Costa Jodiardis, I think it is. He's the host of Gardening Australia, my favourite TV show. I watch Gardening Australia every Friday night, to the point that the boys have to watch the first half of football on the smaller TV because I get the big TV for Gardening Australia. I like all the hosts and all the presenters, but Costa is the official, I guess, host of the show, and he's awesome, and I'm a big fan. So Billy made me my own Costa Damit doll. Isn't he awesome? Oh, he's so gorgeous. I love it. When my husband read the tag, he said, yeah, good luck with that, throwing Costa at the wall. You're liable to pick me up and throw me at the wall first. Yes. I'm a big fan of Gardening Australia. They do have a YouTube channel, and I will put a link in the description below so you can check Costa out. He has been to Cairns. But Billy, thank you so much. I know you normally like to just get an idea and go with it, but I actually sent you the photo and asked you to do something you wouldn't, I guess, normally do. Sort of hinders your creative spirit, and I really appreciate it. It was awesome of you. He was well worth the wait. I can't thank you enough. He's going to go in my office and sit on the shelf with my Paddington bread that my son gave me. All my bosses and friends know how I'm addicted to this show. And one of my girlfriends says, you're a Costa groupie. I probably am, but I like all the presenters. I like Tito for his veggie patch. Because my second passion after crochet and knitting and crafting is gardening. I love gardening. So there you have it, my Happy Mail. Maybe I'll cuddle him tonight. Isn't that awesome? Billy does such a great job. I highly recommend, if you've got someone in mind you'd like a Damit doll, get one off Billy. You can't go wrong. It was well worth it. So there you have it. I love gardening, and I've been a little down, and sometimes I lose my crochet and knitting mojo, and I go out in the garden, which I did today because it was a beautiful day. And yes, a few crappy things did happen on YouTube, but who cares? I get motivated by projects from my garden. So I grow pumpkins, pineapple, eggplants, dragon fruit. I'm not a great gardener, but I do have success with those. And often they'll inspire me to make some projects. And I have made some tea cozies because I'll be doing a charity fundraising stall for Emma's Quest. Emma's sort of like a project I do outside my normal job. I volunteer. I know her mum. I know Emma really well. So at the end of this video, there'll be a bit of a photo montage of photos of Costa, so you can see what a great job Billy did at the likeness. There'll be a bit of a video on the lorikeets that have been visiting my garden every morning and afternoon, because they put on a bit of a show. They tease my dog because they're too high up for him to get, and they're beautiful. And I sort of made a project around the colours of the lorikeets, and there's some projects like pumpkins and pineapples, so check those out. Stay to the end of the video. I'm sure you'll find them interesting and different, and I like making them. What else have I done? If you like the lorikeet video, let me know, because I get kookaburras visit my garden. They're usually laughing at me because they're stealing the worms out of my veggie patch. I've had snakes, green tree frogs, which are beautiful. So I might take a bit of video of those when I can and catch them before I scare them off. So that's it. That's my Happy Mail and gardening video. Oh God, I'm so excited. My husband said, God, you think you were getting diamonds? Oh, I got Costa. I think that's better. It's a great show, especially if you live in Australia. My favourite part is at the end when they tell you for your climate zone area what time it is to plant, grow or do. I love that bit. It's great. So I want to do some shout outs for some small channels. I've realised I'm probably subscribed to over 240 channels and I don't catch up with them all the time. I'm going to let some of the bigger ones go that I haven't watched for a long time. Definitely not Crystal, definitely not The Secret Yarnery, definitely not Creative Grandma, not The Smell Great Guy. But there's some that probably I watch or have watched in the past and have sort of fallen along the wayside, as some of the smaller channels have really inspired me. Now, one of those is It's That Wendy Lady. Her channel name is It's That Wendy Lady. She is so funny. I love catching up with her videos. And I know she works and it's a busy life, but God, she's hilarious. And she recommended the Clover and More crochet hooks for me. And Wendy, they are everything you said. They are awesome. So thank you so much. And guys, make sure you head on over and check these channels out. And if you like them, subscribe and give them a thumbs up and encouragement them. All the links will be listed below in the description of this video. Now, another one I watch is Nona's Stitching Lounge with Rosie. She does some beautiful projects. I love seeing what she's made. It inspires me to get back on the job and look for something new to make. And that's a lovely channel. So please check out Nona's Stitching Lounge with Rosie. And the other one, and I only caught up with it recently, she always leaves lovely comments on my videos, regardless of what they are, and she watches them because I can tell from the comments. And that is, and I want to get it right, so I've written it down, AuntyVernon CrochetnStuff, and it's Tony at AuntyVernon CrochetnStuff. She has just started out. She's put 2 small videos up, and I found them absolutely great because she donates to charity far more than I ever do. She does so many projects for charity, and she's motivated me to get making beanies, which it's getting into winter here, so it's time to make some beanies for charity. So I hope you stay and watch the slideshow, look at the projects I've made, look at the lorikeets. I love the lorikeets. If you're into birds, it's only a short video, but I'm sure you'll enjoy their antics. To all my new subscribers and past subscribers, thanks for staying tuned and enjoying my yarn adventures. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time. Something I've been going over in my head the last few days is something my parents used to say to us. I'm one of 10 children, so money wasn't always free and easy for us kids for luxury items. And my mum used to say to us, when you learn to accept instead of expect, you'll have fewer disappointments in life. So there you go, guys. That's sort of what's been going over in my head at the moment. When you learn to accept instead of expect, you'll have fewer disappointments in life. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a crafty day. Hey, you stop pinching the stuff out of my plants. What? Want me to go away? There's more of him, but he's being real showy for some reason. Pretty noisy. You're pretty noisy. Oh, it's windy, hey. It's down here somewhere. Not as showy. Busy eating. Oh, you got the camera on you. You're pretty. What? What? Come back, don't leave me. Hey. No, you're too busy eating. You don't care that I'm here. Your mate up top's real showy. What? You want me to take your photo? Oh, the big predator's here. All right, let you feed.